Hey guys, Friday night. I have already played here at the Luxor for about 1.5 hours. Really crazy game, really good game. But I'm going to a concert with my friend G. Jesus, yes. And I had some of these stuff here. Why is that Corona red? It's because there's grenadine in there. In Germany it's a common thing. The most sold beer is mixed beer. So beer with Coke, beer with lemonade, and they mix it right away in the bottle to get it already mixed. Nobody drinks that here, but try it out. Corona with grenadine. So we're going to a concert, and as you see, I have my hat on. Yeah, we're going to a country concert. Country concert. Don't even ask me what guy is singing. I'm going to show you later. Now I'm walking over to the Monte Carlo. I meet my friend G at the old poker room that is already closed. And he said, okay, let's go there, meet there and cry a little bit. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take that. Hold the camera. They don't want me to embarrass them, so I keep my clothes on. No, I'm not gonna embarrass them. Closed.
Third seating, numbered seating, go to the left.
Brand new.
We don't, yeah, what? everybody's leaving. No way. No way. They're already cleaning and the band is still playing. That is the weirdest thing ever. Let's make some friends. Let's put some money on the table. So, finally ended the night here at the Luxor after the concert. Before the concert I left here with minus $88. But now I ended up making $185. So almost 100 up. That's fine. We had a great night. But guess where I'm going now?
You're going to bed.
Exactly. We're going to bed. Good night. Wunderschönen guten Tag. Hello everybody. I'm gonna start my day today at the Wynn. Haven't been here for a while, or at the Encore. Yeah, as they say, the early bird gets the worm. I don't really like that word that much. I'm more of a kind of guy that says the second mouse gets the cheese. So I normally like to play later than early, but okay, today we're gonna play earlier. As you saw, the pool season is already on, and that's a good thing. Not the best start for today. The first buy-in from 220 gone with pocket jacks against pocket queens on a jack queen 8 board. Flop, of course, so we went all in on the flop, and yeah, I lost that one. The second buy-in, I have pocket 5s, and there was a 6-way pot raised to 13. Everybody calls for 13. I'm in early position, and the flop is 5, 8, 10. So 5, 8, 10. I bet 40. Everybody fold except of the big blind. He decided to go all in. So that was my all in also. That was about 260 that he had, that he pushed all in. I just bought in for 200, so I'm all in. Turn is blank and the river is a jack, and he shows me 7-9 for the straight. So I lost the second buy-in, so I'm in now for the third buy-in. Fuck. as you see, the sun just goes down. And I'm down also. Yeah, so the last buy-in that I bought in for, another 200. I got pocket queens in middle position and I raised to 20. The high seat called and the big blind called. The flop is 10-7-4, 2 clubs, big blind jacks, and I bet $40. Where's the key? $40. The high seat folded and the big blind puts a raise in. He makes it 140. I only in for 200, so I decided to put it all in. I put it all in and oops. And the turn is the king of hearts and the river is the 2 of hearts. He showed ace king of clubs and I lost that one also. So I guess the problem was that I didn't have a lucky charm for the Wynn poker room. So I call it a night. I'm down 600. That's enough for today. I don't want to play anymore. Let's go to the PlayStation and kill some people. Okay, tomorrow is another day. Bye bye. Sorry, my little friend, but you're out of here. New runner-up, the Gummy Bear. And still the champ with $333, Carrie and Gerald with the little Buddha.